everybody, it's Sally from Sally Stampers. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm bringing you my swaps that I made when I went to my recent on-stage event in Germany. So, as you know, we have a twice yearly conference where we get together, we see new products, get new catalogues and meet new and old friends and just have an absolute blast. When this video comes out to you, I will have been and returned, which I'm so excited about, but hopefully it will be, I know it's going to be amazing. I hope that people like my swaps. And so, as you can see, it is a pencil wrap. I couldn't resist but getting the United Jack flags on pencils and also the red, white and blue on the hearts on the bottom. Because I'm going to Germany, I needed something that was going to be flat, fairly light, easy to transport, and obviously these were my best option. So as you can see, I've got a whole stack of them in here, and I'm going to show you how I made them. Now, I can't take any credit for these at all because I actually got the complete design, etc. from wonderful Kay, who is Papercraft Skies. She actually did the whole of the... she's done the pencil wraps for swaps before for one of our retreats, and I said to her, can I do them for mine? And she said, yeah, of course. So we'll probably go with the same ones, but who cares? So I've just used a random selection of all the Colour Family packs of paper that are 6x6, and yeah, so hopefully everybody will like them. But they're dead easy to make, and as I say, Kay's original video is across at Papercraft Skies, so please go and have a look. Hers are slightly different in terms of decoration, but obviously this wrap is exactly the same. So you need a piece of DSP that is 6x6 or 15.2 by 15.2 centimetres. We're then going to score at 1.5, 3 and 4.5. Now again in centimetres, to try and divide 15 by 4 equally just doesn't work. So I've gone with the centre mark being 7.5, and so half of that either side. I've got 3.6, 11.3. You might have to adjust them by a millimetre just to make sure it works, but that's the closest I could get. Okay, so that is it. That is all the scoring done. No cutting, so no wasting of paper either. Brilliant. So fold, burnish our score lines. Easy peasy. And then with your paper sort of curling up, if you like, towards you, the right hand panel, you're going to fold the corner down to the crease line. The fold line, sorry, the score line, I'll get it right in a moment. So we're just going to do that and fold that corner over. The opposite corner, we're going to fold over double, so it will go to the centre score line. So you've got that. And the last fold is this bottom corner that is going to go up the same as the opposite side, just one corner. So you've got this shape. Okay, so this one goes across one panel, this one goes across two, and then the bottom one just goes across one. Okay, all you need to do then is take your single panel, fold it over again, so you're left with this piece. You're then going to grab some wet glue and pop some wet glue all over that piece there, and then you're just going to fold this over the back, and then with your bone folder you're obviously going to give that glue a bit of a move around. You're going to reinforce those lovely score lines, and I did actually pop a peg or a paper clip or something on it because it's flat, just to hold it in place just while I do my decoration. Now I have cheated a little bit, so 1.5 inch circle punch I've used to create the contrasting circle. So I've just used, as you can see, the different DSP. So you could use any, but I think this checkered pattern just shows off a little bit more. And then I've used Ride With Me and I Love Stamping, because I think that's great, and I do love stamping, and they're for swaps, so that's what we do. And that is the 1 1/8. No, sorry, it's the 1 3/8 of an inch scalloped circle punch, and it's just stamped in Memento. So I'm simply going to nail that onto here, and then I've got 3 tiny scraps here of my real red Night of Navy and Whisper White, and then I have the Dog Builder Punch for the heart, and I literally just need a red heart, a blue heart, and a white one. And trust me, doing all of those for the swaps was rather tedious, I have to admit. Right, so now I'm just going to use glue dots to simply stick my hearts on there. And then I just went with a red heart at the bottom, the blue next to it, and the white on top for the red, white and blue. Okay, you can see little hearts. And then again, just some, whoops, hello, come on Mr. Snail, why are you not working? Who doesn't want to play today? Oh, there we go. Some snail on the back. Take that peg off now, pop this on to my wrap, and then I just pop my bone folder in just to open that out a tiny bit, and then I have my 2 pencils that just slide in. Now you can either have them slightly poking out the bottom or not, entirely your choice, but that's it. That's all there is to it. That's all there is to my swap. Really simple. And as you can see, I have an absolute basket full of them. And they are all the same cute little pencil wrap. So thank you Papercraft guys. Thank you Kay. Hope I did them okay. My next video will be my swaps that I've received. So I'm so excited to see that one. Hope you are too. Thanks for joining me. See you again soon. Bye.